everyone, it's Natalie and welcome to another video. Today I will be sharing how I'm using the Foodie collection to accomplish my 2020 goal of getting back to meal planning and trying new recipes. The first part to my recipe planning is this half-sheet notebook. This is a half-sheet classic Happy Notes that was included in my Foodie box. So it normally contains just lines, but I added these grocery list sheets into it so I can write down grocery lists for my mom, I can write down meal ideas, and I can take down notes of meals that I made and write down notes for meals I want to make. The main part of my recipe lineup is this classic recipe planner that is absolutely gorgeous. It has rose gold detailing on the front, it says delicious, and I just am obsessed with this recipe planner. It is so pretty. And the inside gets even prettier. Here's the name page, which I have to add my name. And then here are the dividers. So first there's favorites, and then main dishes, small dishes, soups and salads, healthy fare, breakfast, dessert, and miscellaneous. It contains different colors of these recipe pages, which include a title, directions, serving size, notes, prep time, cook time, and ingredients. So I will be using this to hold all of my family's favorite recipes and the ones that I want to keep for my future and for when I entertain and stuff like that. So far I only have one recipe in here, but I'm very excited to add more. The final part is my catch-all happy planner for 2020. I set up a section for meal planning, so every week I'll be taking out my grocery list for that week and then all the recipes I need out of my classic, and I'll put it into this section. So instead of digging out my recipe planner and using sticky notes and tabs to sort through which recipe I want to use, I'm just going to pull out my classic and it'll be super easy, and I'm very excited to see how this works for me in 2020. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you're using the Foodie collection in 2020.